If you want to get the most out of your investment in solar panels, you need solar battery storage. Solar batteries allow you to use solar power around the clock and provide emergency backup power during an outage. Keep watching to learn everything you need to know before installing solar batteries. There are two main reasons to install a solar battery. First, a solar battery allows you to use solar power when there's no sunlight. This reduces your dependence on the electric grid for power at night, when prices are high and on cloudy days, saving you money and increasing your energy independence. Second, you'll have backup power during an outage. Solar batteries store your excess solar power your panels produce, so you have a backup power bank waiting for you whenever you need it. They also allow you to run your solar panels without a grid connection. This is crucial because without a solar battery, grid-tied solar panels must be shut down during a power outage. By keeping your panels on, your battery allows you to run your home with solar electricity during a daytime outage and stays charged for nighttime backup, giving you invaluable security. Solar battery systems can be sized for whole home or partial home power backup. Solar panels produce a lot of electricity in direct sunlight, usually more than your house can use at once. Solar batteries allow you to store the excess for later use, when your solar panels are not producing enough power, at night or during high usage, for example. You can use stored electricity to power your home instead of buying power from the electric grid. During the day, there's plenty of sunlight available. Your solar batteries will recharge automatically. Most solar batteries come with apps that allow you to easily monitor your battery and control how stored energy is being used. How long your solar battery's charge lasts depends on its type and size, and how many batteries you install. Most solar batteries are powerful enough to keep your essentials running for several hours before they need to recharge, which happens automatically anytime the sun is shining. The more battery storage you install, the more backup power you'll have access to. You can also pair a solar panel and battery system with a home generator for even more backup power. You can save 30% on solar panel and battery installation with the federal solar tax credit. To claim the tax credit in a given tax year, you must complete your installation and turn your system on by the last day of that year. South Face Solar and Electric is Arizona's leading residential solar installer. We can help you find the right backup power solution for your home. Call us today to learn more.